All right, what's going on, guys? We're here at Bergen County Harley Davidson here in Rochelle Park, New Jersey. Got a lot of bikes inside and a couple CVO STs, but today I'm here because of one bike in particular that I have been really itching to see in person, and that bike is the brand new 2025 Pan America ST. Finally. So if you guys been following me for a while, last year after I came back from Milwaukee, there was one bike builder that actually built one out. He built out a Pan America, I believe it was a special like that, adventure bike. But what he did was he actually took off the spoke wheels. He took off a lot of the adventure aspects of the bike, lightened it up. He actually put a set of risers and bars on it. He put a set of sport wheels and tires on it. And I just absolutely loved that bike. And then lo and behold, January comes and here we are. Harley Davidson put out the Pan America 1250 ST. So this bike is more in lines with, I'm gonna say, like a sports touring machine. So the Pan America has about 150 horsepower. It is super fast. Even, like I said, all of those, whether it's the standard or the special or the CVO, they all come with the 150 horsepower like this bike does, but this bike is a lot lighter. It also comes with the 17-inch wheels, a 120/70 ZR17 in the front, Michelin Scorchers, and I believe it's a 180. Yep, 180 55 ZR17. So it's pretty much like a proper, I'm gonna say proper sport bike tire and wheel setup for handling. And as you guys can see, these Michelin tires are absolutely awesome. You got the Brembo brakes, big calipers, big rotors on there, great tires. And the bike is a lot lighter. The ST is a lot lighter. It doesn't come with, obviously, all of the engine guards and stuff like that, but you can mount, I can see you can mount a top box and some side boxes, or a set of these sport bags that they do have on their website. Wow, I just sat on it. This one also comes with heated grips. You can see the switch housing. Right here, you got heated grips right there. That's how you cycle through everything. You got cruise control. You got your light switch for high beams and stuff, start stop mode selection. And then obviously you go through your audio right there. You got a key right there to lock your front forks. Nice big wide tire, looks really good on there. And then let me see what else we have. We got a little, I noticed this before, we have a little USB-C plug right there so you could charge your phone, which is great. I like that option. But this thing, man, let me tell you, it looks great. I love this bike, and I really like it. I think it looks awesome in the billiard gray, because I think the gray with the red, I think it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, so I would really be interested and even thinking about putting one of these on the channel. This is just, I think it would be something different for the channel. I think it would be a lot of fun for the channel, because this thing rips. 150 horsepower. This is much lighter than the other models, and with the wheel tire package that this has, this thing, I haven't ridden. I rode a Pan America special. I have not ridden the ST, and with the tire and wheel package that this thing has, this thing just absolutely has to handle and rip around the twisties like a monster. I think it looks fantastic with the wheels and tires like that, like it is. I would obviously do a couple things. You know us on the channel, we'd probably do an exhaust, do a little dyno jet tuning, which they do have in place for this. And I don't really know what else. Maybe, like I said, I don't know if I said an exhaust. I just think it looks really, really good. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna sit on it here in a second and I'll show you guys how it looks, how it feels. I'll let you guys know. But I did just sit on it and it is super, super comfortable. And I absolutely love that Harley Davidson put the 17-inch wheels on this thing. Man, really, really liking it. This thing would be an absolute blast for 2025. So definitely let me know what you guys think about it down below in the comments. All right, let's sit on it. I'll show you how I'm situated on this bike. So you could definitely flat foot the bike. I still have a lot of room. Legs are up underneath you, gives you a lot of support. It is super, super comfortable, and it feels very, very light. Really nice. Definitely feels like a sports tourer. So this is the keys that you get with it. You get one key fob and 2 keys. So keyless, obviously keyless entry. These keys are only to lock the fork up in the front. And let me show you guys the display. So this Harley display is huge and it gives a lot of information, which I really like. You got the time on the left, gear indicator. It looks like a little suspension logo is flashing there. I guess how you have it set up, whether it's soft, firm, or hard. You got the odometer, miles per hour. You got your modes right there, so you could go rain, road, or sport. You have your fuel gauge right there, and then you have your tachometer, which looks like it buries out at around 9,000 RPM, which is super high. And then obviously some warning indicator lights, temperature, range, trip A, trip B, odometer, back to temperature. Yeah, so really nice TFT display on it, and just a really nice bike. This is definitely the Harley Davidson to have if you want to rip around the country roads, rip around the twisties, a lot of speed in comfort, and that's the big thing. This is absolutely one of the most comfortable bikes that Harley has in their lineup. But now you have 150 horsepower and the handling of a sport bike. So I'm super excited. We'll see what happens. Let me know if you guys, what you guys think about the bike. But I'm super excited about this, and we'll see. Maybe we'll put one on the channel. So, but before we leave you guys, let's give you guys a little startup. Sounds good.